Hello, David Bradley from the pet room. I did go upstairs to the box room and I did get one of the line cords from the mystery box. So this is a good time to test it on this rather, labelless thing. So I have it plugged in, but I think I will leave this down in case of any flames. Now, do I really expect this to just work? No, I don't. But it would be nice. So my hand is on the switch, everything is plugged in. There's nothing left to do but switch it and see if anything comes up on the screen. And so far, nothing. I do believe I do hear a little something. Let's open it up again. And just feel around. Also, I suppose I should make sure that the monitor is indeed plugged in. And it's also not a bad thing to just wiggle the connectors a little, because there is micro corrosion that can build up over some decades. And I'll give the chips that are socketed just a little push. And then, of course, I'll turn it on again, and it will do nothing. But I'm going to listen carefully. I do hear something. But I see nothing on the screen, no activity from the screen, no flash on the screen. I'll leave it a few more seconds, and then I will turn it off and see if there's anything that appears on the screen. And there is nothing. So, we have another pet. I think, yeah, it says it's an 8032. That makes sense. Another pet that needs attention. Not surprising. Anyway, oof. I don't know when power was last applied to this machine, but I suspect it was many years ago. Many. So, as I'm not really ready to explore, I will put this probably on the floor where it won't be in the way, if that's possible. And I will set about getting another pet out of the garage and continue to explore some of the other treasures that I find while I'm in there. So, sorry, didn't work. Maybe next time. Anyway, thanks for being here. If any of you have any tips on things that I should be doing rather than just applying power immediately, I'm all ears. Signing off from the pet room, David Bradley. Bye for now.